Practice writing essay thesis statement. Ensure with this backbone, then everything is easy. A more than one idea type thesis statement. 1. Remember that one essay, only one claim, one main idea to prove or support. 2. If you have more things to say, to claim for, you should then look above one more general term. 3. Use it for the thesis statement and set these smaller notions as lower level, such as topic sentences. Exercise 4. Write 2 besides each statement that contains more than one idea. Write OK beside the statement that is a clear, limited point. 1. A. Working with older people change stereotyped ideas about the elderly. OK. Working with and elders are consistent. B. My life has moved in new directions since the rewarding job I had. Life, direction, and a rewarding job, 2 discussions. 2. A. The new architecture on this building is very unpleasant, although the expansion was desperately needed. Talking about architecture or expansion, 2 things. B. The stylish buildings on our campus were designed by well-known architects of 3 modern mainstreams. Styles, architecture, architects, and mainstreams are talking about one same thing. 3. A. Among the most retweeting ads on TV today are those for mail-order products. Among the most, singular, products. B. Although ads on TV for mail-order products are often misleading, they can still be very entertaining. Misleading and entertaining are 2 different topics. How to avoid a thesis statement's more than one idea. Think about one main ideas or perspectives that you are going to prove in lower levels. If you feel that they are out of control, there may be more than one main idea. As you further define, they will grow in different directions, different content scopes, which will result in 2 sets of topic sentences that we don't want. Now, do it yourself. You know what are right or wrong, good or bad. So, complete the first part that I have marked the comments. And do the second part with our guidelines. 4. A. My roommate and I are compatible in most ways, but we still have conflicts at times. Well, this is contrasting compatible and conflicts. What do you think? B. My roommate has his own unique systems for studying, writing term papers, and cleaning our room. Unique systems of 3 things for both subject and objects. 5. A. Although some good movies has come out lately, I prefer to watch old movies because they are more interesting. Some people like to use although clause. to show his or her preference. However, it could create a choice of two things that you need to compare or discuss. And it definitely weakens your own claim. B. Movies of the 1930s and 1940s has better plots, sets, and actors than movie made today. Well, this one I will make no comments, so be your own judge. Thank you. Congratulations on your mastery of this practice. Good luck with creating your own thesis statement. Thank you.